go. Here we have lot 45. That's lot 45. This is a LeBlond Regal servo shift 15-inch by 54-inch engine lathe. It has the servo shift control. It has an 8-inch 6-jaw chuck, the steady rest, the tail stock. We got a drill chuck with it, slide out chip pan. There is a coolant pump and tank under there. And it has threading, and I forgot, it has an Acu-Rite Pro 2-axis digital readout. I'll show you that's working. I'll do that Z. Okay, I'll start it up. Tell me when you're ready. Okay, I'm at 95 RPM. Reverse. Then, say I want to go 351 RPM. Reverse. Forward. Cross slide feed. Carriage feed. Disengage that. Shut her off. Engage the threading. And the half nut for the threading. And also show you. There you go.